We're getting ready to head out. I didn't even get to show you guys this room. This is where Mike's sister stayed. It's just beautiful. She just does such a good job. It's comfortable. And even though we are technically in somebody else's house, it doesn't feel like it. I don't know if I showed you guys this room either. We just need to sign the guest book and then we'll get out of here.
I'm gonna write a really long review. Oh, I'm good. I'm fine. Probably.
Know what I had a craving for earlier?
What?
Chinese or sushi. Also Mexican.
Yeah, I could eat that. Not Chinese, maybe.
More like fried rice.
I'm over the Chinese in our area.
Sushi, I guess.
Yeah, sushi, I'm fine. But that's like Japanese, not Chinese.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm just gonna eat it right now.
That'd be the worst thing to eat and drive.
I can do it. Give me the chopstick.
No.
Oh, yeah, that door is trouble. Having that table there. Having that table there. Oh, hi.
Hi. How are you? What are you covered in?
I was just rolling around in the dirt. What's up, bud? Wanna fight? Oh.
No.
He's mad.
He's so mad. But Aunt Tori came over and took care of you. Y'all want some sushi? Ooh. Come eat, cutie. Kitty cat, are you being vengeful back there in the bedroom?
Oh my god, look at that rice. Don't we have yum yum sauce in there?
That thick weave.
All I've had is a Starbucks croissant.
It was a whole sandwich.
Croissant sandwich. You never had the spicy crab?
Not from there. Ooh.
I think I had a blank one before. Can't be good, right? One should count each day a separate life.
Pick a path with heart. Those are good. Checking in one last time before I head to bed. I sold a signed print for $32, a sweater for $26. Tori sold some jeans for $20, and a wool flannel for $24. So $102 day. Tomorrow is my family's Thanksgiving, and we get to pick up the doggy dogs. So I'm really excited to see them. Kitty boy, you get to see your sisters tomorrow. You excited? He just gave me a death stare, but that could be because I woke him up. All right, I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.